Hi, good morning everyone. Richard Borston here with Gravel Driveway Recovery. We've got a box blade incident going on here where it's just been kind of bladed, and you can see how it's dug in here. This is not uncommon. I've seen this a lot. You can see maybe a little better here. And so we're gonna take a stab at this, get this fixed. You can see my son Joey's already on it, working on getting this graded out. Our plan is to crown this. It's pitching slightly to this side, but there's so little water coming over here, and I much prefer a crown. If we can get a crown, I'm gonna crown it. It's a way better structure for managing just traffic wear, etc. So hang along with us and we'll take you through our day. Well, we're in that time of year. It's a great time for dirt work, but it's a dusty time for gravel work, especially when you're doing gravel work in the dirt. So let me get you caught up here. We've got this all scraped out. If you recall, it was pretty built up from the box blading, but you can see now we've got this smoothed up, and we're setting this up so that as we crown it, that we'll have this nice place to flow. And we're just doing the finishing touches on this. I did want to show y'all something here. So the owner asked us, if you've noticed in the shots, we've got a culvert up here we've got a collar and an extension. And the idea is we were just going to cut this back and extend this out because this edge had gotten smashed up. Well, as we started coming back, working back and trying to find the round spot of it, you can see here, we're just finding more and more damage. And let me tell you something, folks. This does not have enough cover on it. And this is why this is happening, is that there's not enough cover over this pipe. And so even, look, these ends get smashed all the time. Quite honestly, that's why I don't like them. Everyone's got their opinion. I can tell you, I see hundreds of these things smashed right here. And I see almost none of the HDPEs smashed. So you tell me, it's just been my experience. Let me know in the comments what your experience has been. But these get smashed here. That's pretty typical. But this back in here, this is covered, but it's just not covered enough. And so what's happening is this is just getting smashed because there's not enough cover over it to protect this thing. This needs to have 8 to 12 inches, ideally 12, to be covered in the correct way. So just wanted to share that with. All right, I know y'all can get mad at me. I know y'all love the dumping, and I get talking and I'm paying attention to what the drivers are doing, and I forget to record, so it's my fault. But you can see we got the first 2-inch down. The reason we're putting the 2-inch down is we're lifting. This has got to come up. That box plating's dropped it down. It's very typical. Cuts it out, puts the material out on the edges. This is a textbook thing of what happens when you just kind of keep, without adding material, just kind of keep box plating, or grading blade, whatever kind of blade, just cutting. So you can see it's still scooping in here. We got more, but we got some more loads coming, and I'm gonna try to get the next one here. Forgive me if I forget. All right, well, here you go. You like it when I video these, so. That's pretty. We told him to go right to the gate. We didn't want any past the gate. That's pretty good. Got 2 loads here that have been dumped. We've got this 3rd one now that's getting dumped. We're just at crush right now, so we're just working our way out. This is the way that we always approach it. There he goes. Got those fancy gates that they can lift up now. So folks, this is about 22 tons right here. That's what it looks like. Get that spread out. Keep going here. Okay, so I just wanted to show you this real quick. So if you remember at the beginning, it was just really dug out, really cut into. And so you can see what we've done here is we've used this 2-inch, I can't get the words out, use this 2-inch to build this up. This is going to give us what we need here in order to start getting that crown going. we're down to the last few things that we've got to do. You can see we've brought in a bunch of material. You can see how we've got this crown. This is not finished graded, but you can see how just the material itself is crowning beautifully. We've got this wonderful flow here that's gonna fix a lot of the problems that are going on. We got the last load that got dumped here, and now we are just filling this in, and then I'm gonna hop in our roller over there here in a minute and get rolling back in there while they finish up this over here. So hang tight, we're almost done. All right, well, Richard Borston here, and you can see how it's turning out. We got the owner down at the end there. He's checking it out, looking at everything. You can see that we've got this beautiful crown now, and you can see the difference that it makes. So appreciate you all coming along for the ride, and God bless you. Well, the owner, we're doing a special test today. The owner's got this beautiful Corvette, and he wanted to make sure that he could drive up it all right. So we're gonna see here if we got it okay. Look at that. There he goes.